Hi, I'm Dr. Steven Ferguson. I have a large medical practice in eastern North Carolina, a small town called Powellsville, but we have big things that are happening. I'm going to talk about withdrawal today, particularly using a product called Suboxone. Withdrawal from opioids is what it works for. It doesn't work for cocaine, it doesn't work for alcohol, but it works for the Percocets, the Vicodins, the Narcan, not Narcan, but the Narco, the list of them. You all know what they are. The heroin. It works on all of those things, and it works very effectively. But you know, when you're going through this process, you gotta kind of know where you're at in the process, and having an understanding and knowing that it's your responsibility to get this thing right is important. What do we mean? It's your responsibility. It's your responsibility. I have so many patients. It's heartbreaking when they tell me they've lost their kids, they've lost their marriages, they've lost all these things. The court system has taken their kids away. What mom would be happy losing her kids? I don't know any. It's your responsibility to get get your act together. You know, I've had kids as young as 13, as old as 65 has been my oldest patient I've treated for withdrawal. But it's your responsibility to get help. There is help out there. Myself and many others like me are out there that are working with Suboxone that can help you through the process. You might be a professional, you might be a school teacher, you might be a bum on the street. Suboxone works regardless who you are. A lot of times professionals are hesitant to come in and get help. It's your responsibility to do that. You need to do that. Withdraw from drugs. Maybe you didn't get yourself on drugs. Maybe you got on there because the doctor gave them to you because you had surgery. Then you had pain from the surgery, etc., etc. And you've never gotten drugs from the street. That does not negate the fact that you're addicted at this point. If you can't stop the drugs without having withdrawal symptoms, you're addicted. And Suboxone's a great way to go. It's your responsibility. You got to pick up the ball and run with it. Suboxone, know there is help. That's a big thing, to know there's help. A lot of times in the past, it wasn't any real help to get you off the drugs. Suboxone is one of those great tools that you can do that with, and be happy to see you. I'm sure other people that are working with Suboxone across the country will be happy to see you. My office is 252-332-6484. Come on in, check us out. I know you can do this.